Welcome aboard again on a early Saturday morning and more wintry morning for another interesting expert speak session by Plan to Win. Plan to Win, for those of you who are new here, is a program in a life management system that will give us not only the strategies and techniques, but also the attitude that you need to make the most of your precious time. This is a space which will move you towards your goals and even in realizing and creating your goals. So all of you have an idea what this session is about, but and I believe, like I wrote in the chat box, that I'm not a parent just because I've given birth to 3 daughters, but I can be a parent to a lot of people. So what is parenting? And it doesn't come with a rule book. So have you ever wondered how you can be a good parent and a productive person? That's asking for too much, right? That's why we thought of taking up this very, very challenging topic. The way we raise our children can really determine their success and their future, within the whole future of the child and the community. The relationship that we have with our child, so to say, child, can impact many different areas of their development. And like I said, there's no rule book. We're all hands-on parents, and each relationship is different. How we relate within the family and to the people, to our children, to the wider world, I believe that is also parenting. And don't you agree that strong and loving families are essential to ensure that everybody, all children, gets the best in their life? So let's look at it, what it means to be a parent and being productive. I'm your host and super leader in Plan to Win, Geetanjali Kasliwal. Today we have someone very, very special. We have with us Nahid. We have with us Nahid Khan. She's a dear friend and a very renowned mobile de-addiction, student productivity, and parenting coach. Nahid is the founder and CEO of Smart Natives International School. She is an Army gold medalist and a lot of achievements to her credit. She's also the author of Amazon #1 bestseller, How to Get Rid of Your Child's Mobile Addiction. And she's on a mission to help 10,000 students and parents become power students and parents respectively through her state-of-the-art offerings and breakthrough programs. So I welcome you, Nahid, and let's get to know about productivity and parenting. Over to you, Nahid.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Lovely people, all beautiful faces I can see. And the people whose videos are not on, I would be missing out watching you. So wow, the how did you feel? Please, I would love to have a share with you in the chat box. How did you feel after the video which was played? Did it really take you to a childhood? Or did it really make the Saturday a special, like a celebration time for you? If yes, please type Y in the chat box. And it would be really fun. And we'll be seeing parenting because see, this is what is one of the part of our evolution. And I think English is good for all. If anybody needs the session also in Hindi, so you can also type Hindi, because Hindi is the most respected language. And if anybody also wants some pointers in Hindi, so I'll be taking care of it. So friends, you guys are a champion. Sitting here 8 o'clock in the morning means a lot. For me, it is 6:30. And believe me, I'm not an early riser. That is why I miss Seema Badaya's most of the sessions. This wonderful soul is here. And so many of you, I can see Siddharth, Manjula ji, and so many of you. So I have my very limited time given by Gitanjali, but I would really acknowledge her to have, me being here invited and having an opportunity to interact with you people on productivity. So believe me, it's my good luck to be here. So my good fortune to be here and to share with you and to know what you deal, to know what you feel, and to know what you look forward when you see you being a productive person or you being a champion in life. You already are, but taking it to a next level. So thank you, Plan to Win, and thank you, Gitanjali and team. Guys, you are doing something which is needed at this hour. So friends, the chat box, 42 people are here. So there should be some energy, some energy, some energy. Friends, life is all about energy. This is what the secret you will see throughout the webinar. And please, this webinar is going to be very different because it's a parenting webinar. So it can't be boring. Life can't be boring. How many of you agree to this? So I again welcome you, and don't worry what your child's age is. It's a warm welcome from a world of a child for a world of a parent. And few people, for me, it was, I should have Spider-Man here because yesterday the movie Spider-Man has released. And both of my teenagers went and watched the show and they came back, sharing, Mama, Papa, you should go. And Mama, Papa were watching Kurbani movie. I shared the clip with Gitanjali. So what I am creating is create life the way you want. You are the creators of your life. So thank you so much. Now I want to acknowledge you. You people are investing time here. And believe me, I value your time. And friends, all of you will agree that time is money. How many of you agree that you are spending time here rightfully with Gitanjali and team and Plan to Win? So we have to, time is money. We need to spend it very wisely. We need to donate it also for people who need, right? And we need to invest, because the biggest investment now which you are doing, you guys are doing amazing because you are investing in your self-development. Believe me, self-development, this is the biggest investment which you are doing for you right now. This is a gift for you, and you have to save time also. So today I will be helping you in this particular avenue. So Gitanjali, please make me the, so that I can share the slides.
Yes, Nahi, you can share it.
Yeah.
You can share the slides.
Okay, thank you everyone. I'm excited. I can see so many people writing here in the chat box. So friends, which is the most important area of your life? Please write that area in the chat box. Which is the most important area of your life you deal? Just write one word. Relationships. Yes. What else? What are the more areas? Self. Shalini says self. Shalaka says health. Love. Yes. Health. Okay. 44 people now. Finance. Yes. Career, relationship, love, health. Okay. So friends, I will quote survey here. The survey done with human beings shows the most important, actually the area should be health. But the survey shows on this planet, human beings mostly deal money. This is the number one area. Number two, it is relationships. And number three is health. So friends, when we talk about money, it is we being creative. It is we being productive, because time is just the same, the 24 hours. It is same for Jeff Bezos, and it is same for Ruchi Agarwal ji, and it is same for Manjula ji, for Naeed, for everyone, right? So there are actually so many areas which actually impact our productivity. And why we are talking about productivity? Because even we don't want our children, We want them to invest time, spend time, and really donate time, save time, and be productive children. Any age. Here, parents must be having, even children of 40 years, 45 years. So this is a session really applicable to all. Age doesn't matter. Human beings at all sizes, small, medium, large, extra large. This webinar is for them. So I would be actually sharing with you that there are areas. Can somebody speak? Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you, thank you. So you being productive, you'll take your parenting to the next level, and not only parenting. You can on Google, Dr. Google is the best guide. The Wheel of Life. As time is limited, I'm just telling you, Wheel of Life. You will see there are 8 major areas which impact us and our productivity. So here, I want to take a pause and make a bold statement, which you all must have demonstrated today, and you can really pat your back that you all are champions. And believe me, friends, you all I can see are lifelong learners, and this is the right way. You can also, we can start with an affirmation that I'm peaceful, I'm successful, I'm so proud of myself. So, quick responses, my dear friends. Let us just check that really, we deal time or not, is productivity a priority and importance or not? So I would like to ask you, how many of you feel you are not able to manage time? Type Y. You are not able to manage time. That is what I'm asking you. Please type Y if you relate to it. Please type N if you don't relate to this. How many of you are not able to organize self? Not able to plan your schedule? Not able to stick to the schedule? And not able to understand your priority? Why? I can see why? I can see one N for one of the things. Me, yes, right. How many of you honestly, see, the more honest we are, we'll get the maximum benefit out of this session. You feel you can't concentrate. A very beautiful question I want to ask you. How many of you can't say no to people? Type Y. How many of you feel distracted or get distracted easily while at work? You don't know how to increase your productivity is my next question. And my dear friends, many questions would be confronting, but this is just you and me talking right now. And this is a close group, a family. I'm your family, my dear friends. We spend too much time on social media, right? And there are other factors also. So if you will see the survey already done, 73% people say they get distracted, 63% say they can't concentrate, and 54% said that they spend too much time on social media. So it's what you are saying actually is really showing up in the already survey done. Thank you so much. Thank you. And thank you for participating, because this is the way. So friends, a little about me so that you know me. I am an MBA by qualification and an entrepreneur by profession, and I am into mobile de-addiction of parents and students and student productivity, and a parenting coach by passion, because I'm doing this because this is the area which I deal and I am taking to the next level. And I share my secrets with you. That is why I'm here. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm also, so people to know me, I'm a founder and CEO of Smart Natives International School. I coach parents how to get rid of their child's mobile addiction and do stress-free parenting. And I coach students who are very specifically like the board students or students undergoing the competitive exams, how to improve their productivity and achieve goals. I'm also Amazon's bestseller book. You can order this book, How to Get Rid of Your Child's Mobile Addiction. It's a beautiful book, a short one for people who really want a short book and just pure juice. So this is one of it. So friends, are you excited to learn the 3 stages of growth? Yes? How many of you are excited to learn the 3 stages of growth? Yes? So here, the 3 stages of growth. See, these are understanding, implementation, and mastery. Now, here what important I want to stress. How much percentage do you think the people are in the understanding phase? Just in percentage, any vague idea? And in understanding, how many percentage people, we all people, we are there in understanding phase. I'll be giving you the answers, but I just want to see, yeah. So
can't hear you, Nahid. I can't hear you, Nahid. Hello?
Yeah, just a second. I think her screen is frozen.
No, screen is moving, but can't hear.
Okay.
Nahid.
Nahid, I think she's not.
Darshan, I think 90%. Siddharth, actually, this is 99%. So now, can you hear me? Please, yeah.
Yes, now we can hear you.
Okay, so my system is, you can hear me now?
Yeah, but we can't see the slide. Are you sharing still?
Right. I'll just again share the slide.
Yeah.
Okay.
Friends, thanks for the patience. Nahid is very kindly taking this session from UAE, Dubai. So there's maybe a network error or something. Please bear.
Yeah, so we are just, see, it's a demonstration like those are painting. And we need to really see, accept the things which we can't control. So now you can see my screen. Now you can see my screen.
No,
No, Nahid, we are not able to see your screen.
Can you see it now?
No, Nahid.
Okay. See, this is technology, so just be patient. So I'm resolving it. So 99% people are there in the understanding phase, and only how many do you think will enter the implementation or the execution stage? We get results. It is. I have to share the entire screen, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
and
now we are getting this.
Along with the sound. Now we can see it properly, yes.
Okay. And friends, only 9% of us, enter the execution or action stage, the execution stage. That is, and from this stage only we get results. So it is really a truth bomb and a news for you. Why people achieve limited results? Because we are into a lot of knowledge. So I invite you not to take this session only a knowledge session, but also if you can write it down or take screenshots and you can implement it. That's my invitation. So and the last 1% people only reach the stage of mastery. This is the life's important fact. And when we talk about success, so I will take you through a bit quickly. success is actually, the outcome which we desire come from our decisions, come from our choices, our actions which we take. And believe me, friend, the actions come from your understanding and thought process. And where does these understanding and thought process comes? It comes from your beliefs, your value system, your philosophies, which are already there in you, in your human system. And we can say from the mindset. So what did you get out of my conversation? That 20% it is the insight or the knowledge. And friends, knowledge is the new cholesterol. I'm very serious when I'm saying this. 80% is the mindset, the skills which we practice and develop our mindset. Now, how many of you would love to know which are the areas actually that decide your productivity? There are 5 major areas. And what I want to concentrate here is the number 1 and number 2 are at the conscious level. And at the conscious level, my dear friends, we are only having the power of 5%, just 5% power. The 95% is the subconscious, which controls us. And our life, anybody above 30 years here, your life is like an autopilot mode. Already, you don't even know. Might be after the session, you can become aware and you can see like the decisions are coming automatically, the choices are coming automatically, intuitively. So that is what the subconscious is. And the last is unconscious. So these are the 5 areas, my dear friends. And these, we have to go like work on all 5 of them hand in hand. It's not that you have to first work on time, then you have to work on data, then your habits. Because why I'm sharing this is, you cannot manage time. If somebody is telling you that management is something which they are going to help you in, you cannot manage time. You can manage your habits. Do you agree with this? If you agree, you can write A in the chat box, agree in the chat box that you need to manage your habits. So data, time, habits, skills, and mindset. This is what we all will togetherly actually knowing and creating it. And due to limitation of time, I will be just giving you most important, like few implementations, so that you can start doing it from today itself. But I will be also sharing for people who would love to learn this as an art and build this mental muscle with me for a month. I will give you that opportunity also. So friends, the formula for success. First, I will share with you the formula of failure. Make 3. I showed you these boxes. You can see in my hand. You can see me, I guess. So you can make 3 boxes today. I'm telling you first the formula of failure. It is blaming, complaining. Number 3, excuses, making excuses. We are masters in doing this. Things are not happening because of some other person. This is not the right time. Our internal voice tells us. We will start doing from Monday. It is a weekend. Saturday, Sunday, I can, it's a weekend. I can start doing it from Monday. Many excuses because our internal subconscious knows us better than us. So here is the formula for success. It's actually intention plus integrity. Now intention is actually the context. Why do you want to do this? And you can write this if you have a pen and a paper, that if your why is strong, then your how becomes very easy. So why is very important, my dear friends. And what is integrity? What you think you are doing. And you are being that. The thinking, the doing and being becoming one, sinking in. So this is success. You can take a screenshot of this slide. Now, actually, magic is, in the rewiring of your patterns or habits and brains. So this is a process. Hope you will understand. But I will give you a secret to implementing faster. Many of you must be already knowing it. It is converting the process into baby steps. How many of you already know this? But I'm reasserting today on this webinar that if you convert the processes into simple steps, baby steps, the implementation becomes faster. Now, how many of you are interested to know why you are, or how did you become the way you are today? You are a specific way. If I ask your qualities, you will say 1, 2, 3. Everybody it is different. So, do you want to know how your identity get created? Because this is important. Because then only you can go deeper into it and do the real work. So, if you want me to share how does your identity get created, you can please write share in the chat box, share, and friends participate. The child in you has to be excited, because when I say that, you are elevating your energy, and this energy you already vibrate. If anybody of you will say that no, I don't vibrate, I don't believe in this, you are already, or you having thoughts in a I should say we are having 60, 70, 80,000 thoughts already, and each thought is a vibration and energy. And you all, including me, we are 99.9% our thoughts, only 0.1% particle. I will give you the logic of it. Any of you are science students here. If you know the diagram of the cell, you will see the nucleus is a very small part, and the major part is the cytoplasm. So 99%, believe me friends, you are thoughts, so you already vibrate. So when I'm saying participate, when I'm saying share in the chat box, this is how you are in life. This is how you are in life. If you participate, it becomes the information sinks in you. So I am sharing now you very important how your identity get created. We all got created with, we have influence of nationality, religion. See, there are 384, around 380 like areas which actually make our identity. These are so many. But here I have listed only few of it. Nationality, religion, gender, number of siblings, upbringing, financial condition, the philosophies taught to you as a child, or the lessons of life you are getting in your experiences actually shape your identity. Role models, the role models you follow also impact you virtually or physically. We have virtual mentors also. Schooling, experiences, books you read, movies you watch, or interests, friends and acquaintances. Here I would love to assert that your quality of life is the 5 most closest people you are in like daily basis contact with. That makes your quality of life. So just see who are the 5 most closest people you are day on day basis, you are close to them. Because when productivity comes, if you really get connected to people who are more productive than you, then chances are that even you will have a pull and push in your life. Then skills are important. They create our identity. Your purpose and goal. See, this purpose and goal is very important. 85% of the people are still not clear with their purpose and goal, why they are living, why they are on this planet. So this is again a discovery. The time you get clarity, the productivity increases with your clarity, conviction, and courage. And the list goes on. And you have to bear with me that we have just 5 minutes more. So let us take the maximum out of it. That how do I change my mindset? How do I change my mindset? So friends, law of attraction, mind you must be knowing all this. And I worked on law of attraction, and believe me, I have so many shares which I can tell you that I created my life in UAE, and my house, my work structure, my most of the, I should say, the materialistic luxury in life came from law of attraction. The mind power. NLP is a very important practice. Anybody can, tap into learn into new things. I told you, you are lifelong learners. I am a basic NLP. I have learned the basic part of NLP, because the advanced part I've learned in hypnosis. Hypnosis helps us. It is not something to be scared of. It is how to make you more peaceful, calmer, and to enter these states, of manifestations, the alpha, beta, theta. Yes. So this is interesting. Healing. Many of you might be knowing healing here. So I am a pranic healer, done all levels. Only that Kriya Shakti, is there, but that helps me. I can cleanse myself. I can really cut my cords. When I'm in awkward situations, or it is actually what I do is in the morning and night I do it religiously. I forget also at times, but most of the times I have set reminders. Then there are role modeling. Awareness, again, I will assert, ACE mindset, ACE. If you develop ACE mindset, awareness changes everything. And you already know one tool. All of you know one tool, but I don't know how powerful you are practicing it. Because things which come to us free, and we miss on them. So awareness, breathing is one of the important tools to bring you at the present moment. And you can see many of the mentors teaching breathing in different ways. Like I will teach you one way of awareness, closing your right nostril and doing the breathing from left nostril. This will become you calmer. So and I can give you a 1, 2, 3, 4 explanation of it. And whatever I will share, I will give you all explanations. Then mindfulness is there. You already know this. The quantum leap jump, these are techniques. Meditation, you must be doing your plan to win organization, so many meditations. Affirmations, what we did in the start were affirmations, that I am a champion, I'm successful, I am proud of myself, I'm peaceful. These were affirmations. We started with affirmations so that you can grasp in more. The idea of showing you the video at the start of the session was to elevate your energy, because higher your energy, you are sponge-like, you can absorb things, and lower the energy, you are cement-like. So you want to be sponge-like, right? So auto suggestions, lucid dreams, vibrations, intention making, and a variety of types of visualization. These are the way how we can change our mindsets. Now, how many of you want gift from me? Gift, type gift. We all love gifts. Gifts, so that you can be productive people and productive parents. And what I'm sharing, you can share with others.
Nahid, you have, I'm sorry, Nahid. Sorry, Nahid, you have another 10 minutes. We are up till 8:50. And we can also take in questions.
Yeah. Okay. So, but I'll just
go in the details.
2-3 minutes more.
About parents.
Okay. How many of you want me to give you gift? Type gift in the chat box. Once you are ready, then only I will give the gift. Type G. Type G, I want gift. Chaya is saying, Uttara, Shalini, Siddharth, Seema, Ruchita, Gitanjali, Ruchi Agarwal, Vikas. Yes, be excited. The gift is on your way. So, my gift to you is one very important information. See, all of you will relate to this, that you are doing the thinking, then you are taking some action. You are thinking, planning, and then doing some action. But friends, this does not work. Because see, when you are thinking like a monk. You require relaxation. You require the objective mind. And you need to be creative while thinking. How many of you agree with this? And when you are in action, that time it has to be just the opposite. You have to be, in action, in full power. You have to be very subjective. Here, there are no considerations. Here, there is just execution. You have to be very alert. So keep these two, thinking and action time, very separate. So how I do it, like I do it the thinking time at night. Because at night I am a person, I get more ideas. And I capture all ideas on my mobile. Then Google Keep, I will share with you tools also. And while execution, I just give 4 hours. I'm intentional. See, friends, only 4 hours is enough to make you a productive person. It is not the 8 hours of working. 4 hours is enough, but that 4 hours has to be like a warrior. And at that time, there should be no thinking. It has to be just execution, execution, execution. And believe me, this works. Many of you will agree that in the bathroom you get good ideas. So be you know, like your body and your brain, everybody is different. Go with it. Because here I'm not inviting any change. You have to be with you as you are. While driving, I get many ideas while driving. So if I have my daughter next to me, she helps me because I say, or otherwise I record it, or otherwise I stop and I do it, because otherwise many times I have lost some beautiful thoughts. So one activity for you, Google Keep this is a free app which I am just sharing with you. Google Keep, life reminders, and date diary. All of you have date diary. So Google Keep I am sharing with you. You must be doing with a set of reminders you're planning. But this is a very beautiful way of just experience it, because here you can also share it with the other person, like with your spouse, with your friend, with your colleague, staff. So they also have the information, and the information is at one place. And we always have our mobiles at all times. So having a team effort, the team really works, because life is not a single game, individual game. Man is a social animal. Anything you do at home, that your child is your team. You know, believe me, the child gives you emotional happiness. So Google Keep, you know, if you will also contact me, I will also help you, giving you a bit more training about it. And life reminders, just check it out. How does these particular apps, which are free of cost, they work with you. I will also invite, thank you. I see Darshana saying this is amazing, capture tools to be kept handy. Yeah, that is what. See, the present situation is we need handy things, we need easy things, and we cannot remember everything. My husband says I'm forgetful, but I think, friends, I am mindful, and I tell him also. I say him in Hindi, पहले बहुत कचरा रहता था दिमाग में, अभी मेरे दिमाग में बहुत मेरे काम हैं बस, and I'm not just saying, I'm doing this work because I am creating big results in my life, and that is what you already are creating. I want you to hold your hand to let us all go to the next level, because we have that potential. Because the brain which we are using we are not using as per the potential of ours. Einstein was using just 3% of the brain, and we are using some point, some zero. I don't have the figures, so I will not quote any figure, but it is lowest of all. The brain is still to be explored. So coming to the date diary, my dear friends, why I am inviting you to write your planning first in date diary, then on Google Keep. Because when you are writing, the writing is a slow process. So when you write, the brain also becomes slow, because it has to match the energy of your writing. And when the brain goes slow, that is good for you. Then you will have quality thoughts. And these thoughts, the quality thoughts, are actually the thoughts which will give you result. So first you can capture in the diary, and then you can put it on the Google Keep, right? Now, how many of you, really agree when I say you are human hormone machines? So I will be teaching you one technique right now. Because when you are in good emotion, we created your good emotion with the video. Suraj Ek, Chanda Ek, Tare Anek. That was our childhood video, a beautiful one. So now I want to teach you a technique. Type L, learn. You want to learn? Type L. Because I'm teaching you how to shift your emotional state instantly. Many of you must be dealing. The people around, at times, I don't know what to do with them, or I get stuck in the situations, or I just don't know how to deal with my child. This is an area so important for you. So how do you shift your emotional state? That is what I am going to now share with you, and you can do it instantly. We will do it right now, and you can do it with your area. So because we are in the influence of our emotions, and emotions are energy in motion. And everything is energy. Life is all about energy. So now look here, for every problem, there is an emotional response. And the first question I asked you starting the webinar, I asked you, how do you feel? And now at this point of the webinar, again, I will ask you, how do you feel? Do you find this webinar valuable? If yes, please write value. Please write value. And like this, you should do the feedback check with your people around. Because one of the main goals is that people around us should be happy, should get contributed, should get elevated in their emotions, in each area, which what they are dealing at that moment. Thank you so much. Thank you. So friends, for every problem there is an emotional response, you agree. So we say, because I have relationship issue, I am sad. Now I will just interchange it. I am sad, that is why I have relationship issue.
Wow.
So I will change this. So I will change this sad. Gitanjali or everyone, please tell me what should I change this sad with? Or what should I get present to sad? That because I am sad. Yes, my dear friends, sad, what is the opposite of sad? I have to just be happy, because then I'll be teaching you. Like you can also learn, Dr. Google is there. Like how to be happy, everybody has their own trigger points to make you happy. Yes, wonderful. Because I have financial problem, I am stressed. You agree? Now I am stressed. That is why I have financial problems. So stress as an emotion has to be addressed. So what is the opposite of stress? Opposite of stress is being worried. Like
Relaxation.
ease. Relax. Yes, ease. Similarly, because I have health problems, I am worried. While it is, I am worried, that is why I have health problems. So I have to just change this worried. Just the if mindset, awareness changes everything. If you loved this and you promise me to practice this, please write promise P. Please write P in the chat box. This will make me really fulfilled, friends. So many of you, I don't want to leave you here, I would love to take you to the next level, that creating a self-assessment, particularly with you, that creating your mental space, how to have 10x results, and how to learn more about the 5 dimensions of success pyramid. Winning week formula, review techniques. Review techniques are very different, friends. Weekly it is different, monthly it is different, yearly it is different. And organizing your day, week, month, year is again different. It comes with a strategy. Thought process management. I will teach you how to accomplish your first 20 tasks of the week. Launch 4 big projects just in 30 minutes. This is my 4-hour 10x productivity formula. And see, this is an invitation. I am sharing because see, this is an opportunity that I can share with you right now. And many of you must be sensing, because I don't want to leave you here in this journey. I want many of you who are interested. Yes, I want to take, there is always a next level. Can we mute the mic? Also, there will be can we mute ourselves? Thank you. So 30 days, there is a WhatsApp support, and there are 4 master classes every week on Tuesdays in the evening. And there is a weekly event planner format which is given. So this helps. Friends, do you think how much, this 30 days WhatsApp support, and this should cost anyone? Can you put a price in the chat box, my dear friends? Lovely beings. Can you learning so much? What do you think the price should be? How much do you think, the investment should be? How many? Yeah. Yeah, Darshana says 9999. Thank you. How much do you think would cost, if we are going to learn all of this? and we are hand-holded for 1 month. It is online. It is online. See, the world is like the online really, you felt today the webinar was very different. So can you type in the chat box? And friends, whenever we see somebody sharing or selling something, we feel, like we go into another zone. But in a day, we see more than 5,000 ads from the time we get up in the morning till night. And we are selling our conversations to our children. If they buy our conversations, they agree to us. Yes, somebody is saying 999. So friends, this is coming at cost. It is actually 5,000, but for particularly this group, it is kept to be 2,000. And many of you who are interested may really connect, because I am investing so much in my self-development, and I am having a productivity coach person to me. So this is the way, I'm seeing that my life is going to the next level and it is working. And that is so helpful to me. Now I would love to have any of the people, just give me a moment. Okay, so you can ask, my dear friends, if you have any questions. And for people, I have another for you.
Thank you,
So
Nahid.
I would, Gitanjali, you can share.
Yes,
where...
thank you so much, Nahid. It was really a value session. And Nahid, whoever wants to connect to Nahid and take this on the further parenting on a further level, please get in touch. And I would ask request people to ask questions if you have any. And over to you, Darshana. Would you please apprise us of the very strong session coming up tomorrow? I'd like everyone over here to definitely know what Plan to Win has in store for you tomorrow.
Perfect.
Over to you,
Yeah.
Darshana.
Yeah, thank you so much. Guys, can you hear me? So before I actually talk about what is coming next, I would really want to acknowledge Nahid for taking up this topic of productivity for parents. And Nahid, thank you so much for addressing our community. And I definitely understand that productivity in a life of a parent is a concern. Like I gave up my career 2 years back. I was running a very successful coaching institute just because I wanted to attend to my daughter. So that's the reason I know that what you're doing is invaluable. And definitely when you talk about selling and when you talk about, asking money, there can be a little bit of confusion in people's mind. But believe me, sales happen for service. So only when people engage and invest time and money both, they get maximum value. So Nahid, I can completely get the vibes. You are coached by the bestest of the mentors. I can see, because I have getting similar kind of training. Am I appropriate if are you in SIDS community, Nahid? Okay, I think Nahid, we've lost Nahid. Maybe she's taking a break.
Yeah. Yes.
She's in SIDS community, right?
I'm with Siddharth.
I have a very high
Rajiv.
regards. Yeah, I have a very high regards for Siddharth Rajshekhar. He's my mentor, and I could see every bit of Siddharth's teaching in you as well as in me. So I always
and I would love to quote Siddharth's mentor, who is my mentor also. He's Blair Singer. So I want people to know, Blair Singer is one of the finest coaches. So yeah, thank you, Darshana.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you. So Blair Singer says, whenever you are nervous, think of service. Right? That's what Blair Singer says. So whenever you're nervous, think of service. So guys, all the Plan to Win community, I want to tell you that we are all going through really intense trainings, full day trainings, late night trainings, and bringing the bestest of whatever we get onto here. So Nahid, I'm so privileged to have you here. And what you rightly said, 80% से ज़्यादा लोग distract होते हैं. So there are 80% of people who have these problems. They get distracted. They can't stick to the schedule. They don't know how to increase productivity. And also there is a concern that too much time is spent on social media. And wow, and you ended with capture too. So really, this is what Plan to Win is bringing next, guys. Creating 2022 is what is happening in Plan to Win right now with the participants. Participants are literally having tears in their eyes when they are discovering what all they can do in 2022. So I invite everybody who is here to experience that with us on Sunday. संडे 8 बजे से 11 बजे तक नाहिद हम बैठ के 2022 को डिजाइन कर रहे हैं. और as Nahid has mentioned so many mentors, I have taken so many trainings. We have 6 super leaders along with me in Plan to Win. We are all putting our mind, heart and soul in all the trainings of Plan to Win. Or creating 2022 is the bestest product that have been created and more to come. So how do you get the detail of creating 2022? Everything is posted in Heart to Heart. तो अगर आप Heart to Heart group में नहीं है, तो please ask for the link and get into Heart to Heart. And not only don't be there. मैंने देखा है कि Heart to Heart में रह के हम किसी भी normal group की तरह observer रहते हैं. Heart to Heart group is about heart to heart connections. Please look for the message. Creating 2022 workshop 3 घंटे का workshop है. 8 बजे से सुबह 8 बजे से दोपहर के सुबह 11 बजे तक. Then there is a follow-up also happening on the 29th. Guys, 2022 को हम लोग धमाका करने वाले हैं. The way you are going to make your goals sticky. So जैसे नाहिद ने कहा ना, schedule को stick नहीं कर सकते हैं. So उसको sticky करने के लिए ये Creating 2022 and Plan to Win space is doing everything that is possible. Another thing, guys, I also understand, जैसे नाहिद ने कहा कि understanding level पे बहुत सारे लोग हैं. हाँ, मुझे पता है ये मेरा problem, मुझे पता है ये नहीं करना है, मुझे पता है ये करना है. So understanding level पे 90% लोग हैं. Implementation की ताकत, हिम्मत, या जो भी है, you can say surroundings. सिर्फ 50% लोगों के लिए implementation का it's conducive. The environment is conducive only for 50% people. And mastery पे कितने लोग होते हैं? Believe me, guys, only 5%. Like I'm not getting the name of the mentor for Tony Robbins, but उन्होंने हमेशा कहा है कि find out what 95% people are doing. Listen to this, this is a breakthrough. Find out what 95% of people are doing and don't do it. You get that? Don't do what 95% people are doing. Do what 5% people are doing, because 5% people have the mastery level. 5% people are in the mindset of subconscious tapping. And 5% of people have all the wealth, okay, of 95%. So get into 5%. We want to expand the 5%, okay, by the way. Okay, so perfect. Thank you so much for being here, guys. How many of you are interested or want to know about Creating 2022? Let me know now. Put it in the chat. Me. Darshana, ye kya hai? It's like really intriguing. Creating 2022. अच्छा, यहाँ पे कोई ज्ञान नहीं होने वाला है. You are only going to sit. I am going to be with you. We are going to together create 2022. Perfect, Amit. Perfect, Shalaka. Thank you. Super, Siddharth Surana. Nice to see you. Ruchi, great. तो मेरा नंबर है ये वाला. इससे आप मुझे पर्सनली कनेक्ट कर सकते हो और हम हार्ट टू हार्ट ग्रुप पे आपको सारे डिटेल्स दे देंगे. We'll meet tomorrow 8 a.m. Okay, thank you. So,
yeah, can we take a picture?
Yes, of course we can take a picture. My God, this is, I'm actually feeling so good to be with you. Feels like Siddharth's community and Plan to Win community merging together. Wonderful.
Yes. And I have a session at just 1 minute after. So
please start your videos, guys. This is the gift. This is the gift we can give to Nahid.
And thank you, Nahid, for a wonderful, very, very power-packed, very power punch.
My privilege.
All refreshed in our mind.
Yes. Yeah. It's my privilege to be here. And I want to congratulate this group. And each one of you is a champion. It's not saying, I'm actually experiencing it. You being here means a lot. Yes. So the picture time, is it done?
Just a second. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. And we are really privileged to have international participants and international coaches, international speakers. Plan to Win is really going, across the world and going places. Thank you, Siddharth, Nazar. We have celebrities, we have actors, we have entrepreneurs, entrepreneurs. Thank you, thank you, thank you. 9 a.m. Nahi, the picture is taken. I have taken the screenshot. I'm going to share it on the group as well. Yeah? Good to go, Nahi? Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Fantastic.
Yes.
God bless you guys. See you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. It's 9 a.m. Have a great, great weekend and see you tomorrow for Creating 2022. Thank you.